conduct and becoming a United States Marine.
Does the defense wish to enter a plea?
Yeah.
They're not guilty.
Enter a plea of not guilty for the accused. We'll adjourn until 1000, 3 weeks from today, which time this general court-martial will reconvene.
What is a lieutenant junior grade with 9 months experience and track record of plea bargaining inside a murder case? Would it be so that it never sees the inside of a courtroom? We're working at my apartment every night at 7 o'clock. Joe, before you come over tonight, pick up a carton of legal pens, half a dozen boxes of red pens, half a dozen boxes of black pens. Sam, get a couple of desk lamps. I need you to start on a preliminary medical profile. And Joe, we need all the proficiency and conduct reports on Dawson, Downey, and Santiago. The only thing I have to eat is Yoo-hoo and Cocoa Puffs, so if you want anything else, bring it with you. Okay?
Yeah.
So this is what